Don't worry. Let leave her be free. She's an independent woman. Don't worry. Don't worry about her. You go ahead.
Okay, so welcome in my village. The name of this village, Abha Neri. Ancient time it was known as the name of Abha Nagri. Abha Nagri considered the city of brightness. So look the ticket. In this village, Abha Neri, two monuments, one Chand Bauri, Chand Stepwell, and outside Harsad Mata temple. In this ticket, Bauri 8 Abha Neri. Bauri means stepwell. Bauri is a Hindi language word. It means stepwell. Abha Neri is the name of the village and under the property Archaeological Survey of India. Okay, so I am going to explain about this stepwell Chand Bauri, Chand Stepwell after we will make photos.
Okay.
Okay, so the name of this state is Rajasthan. Ancient time Rajasthan was known for dry and desert area, always lack of water. So mostly king built like that type of many step well in this state. Steps with well, so it is called step well.
Okay,
In
can-
Hindi it is called Chand Bauri Chand
Okay.
step well.
Come here. Show me the well. Okay.
Okay. Steps
Oh,
with
okay.
well. So it is
It's-
called step well.
Uh-huh.
In Hindi it is called Bauri.
Okay.
The
Bauri.
name of this step well,
Uh-huh.
Chand step well.
Okay.
In Hindi it is called Chand Bauri.
Okay.
In this state, Rajasthan, 112 step wells like this.
Okay.
112.
Uh-huh.
But all are
112.
Yeah, but all are very small and very different.
Uh-huh.
This one is wonderful, amazing, huge, deepest, nice, popular, interesting, amazing, oldest and biggest stepwell
Uh-huh.
in India.
Wow.
Okay. So Chand Bauri, Chand stepwell built by a Hindu king of this area.
Uh-huh.
King name was Chand.
Vachan.
Chand.
Okay.
Chand.
Chan.
Chand was the king of Hindu king, local king of this area.
Uh-huh.
Chand built this stepwell in 8th and 9th century. It means 1200 years before.
Uh-huh.
1200 years old stepwell built by a Hindu king of this area. That's why it is called Chand Bauri Chand stepwell. Chand is a Hindi language word. It means moon.
Moon. Oh, Chan mean moon.
Moon.
Okay.
Ancient time it was used for drinking water,
Yep.
bathing, cropping and rainwater harvesting also.
Uh-huh.
Main purpose to build this stepwell, rainwater collection.
Uh-huh.
In three sides total 3500 steps.
Uh-huh.
All stairs are equal.
How many steps again?
3500.
3,500 steps.
Largest number of the stairs in the world, this stepwell have 3500.
3,500 steps.
All stairs are equal in measurement and size also and symmetrical.
Symmetrical. Okay.
Yeah, like as pyramid. It looks like inverse pyramid.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah.
one side 3-story building. It is called Summer Palace.
Summer Palace.
Summer Palace. First
Okay.
floor of this palace were used for assembly meetings. King Chand and his advisors sit there in the first floor, makes plans, regulation, policy schemes also.
Okay.
So it is called assembly meeting hall. Second floor of this building very good for living because in winter days temperature very warm, in summer days very cold
Uh-huh.
due to the water.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and there are 13 levels of the stairs, total 13 levels. And the structure of this stepwell under geometrical like a square.
Uh-huh.
There are 3 types of the stepwells,
Uh-huh.
circle, triangle and square also.
Okay.
This one have square shape.
Uh-huh.
Nowadays the water level of this stepwell very low, last level, but in 1982
Okay.
when a heavily flood came in this area, then the water level of this stepwell 5 to 6 level high. Maximum water level of this stepwell in 1982 6 level high because the water of this stepwell considered underground connected to 2 rivers in 2 directions.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the depth of this stepwell 19.5 meter. It means 65 feet.
Mm-hmm.
And the wide of this stepwell 35 meter. It's India's first oldest stepwell, 1200 years old, biggest, largest number of the stairs and second deepest also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so stepwell constructed by local king of this area in 8th and 9th century, but this wall was constructed later in 16th and 17th century
Mhm.
to protect the king's family and army outside the attacks.
Okay.
So it is called protection wall.
Mm-hmm.
Because in 11th century,
Let's get into the chain.
because in 11th century, 1000 years back, Musalman invader Mahmud Ghazni from Afghanistan came here, attack on outside Hindu temple,
Uh-huh.
destroyed the temple and broke all Hindu god or goddess statue, sculpture and stones also.
This is the old one or new one?
Old one.
Old one. Oh.
These are 1200 years old stones or statues.
Oh.
These are original, but they were the part of outside temple. Outside ancient time, a very huge or big temple of goddess Harsad Mata temple. Hindu goddess Harsad, goddess of considered the goddess of joy and happiness and incarnation of goddess Durga.
So in,
But-
in the past, this way we can go down to the
Yeah.
pond, right?
Yeah. Ancient time it was public well.
Oh,
So
but
mostly
now,
people.
but now not around.
Now it is not allowed to go down because if tourist baby fell down inside and accidentally.
Because of what?
Yeah, a
Accidental?
tourist- yeah,
Oh, yeah.
tourist baby. That's why government changed the rule and stop everybody can't go down.
So
Last time 2014 till it was allowed to go down for the tourist every day.
So in the past, I'm not sure the year the Hollywood film is area, right?
Hollywood
The
movie
X-Men, right?
Batman and Dark Knight Rises Part 3 and the four Hollywood movies they were also shooted here. Okay, and many Bollywood movies also shooted here many times. That's
Okay.
why it's a very famous stepwell in the world.
Okay, let's take a break. Let's take a break.
Okay, okay.